Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the previous videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I teach you different skills, easy skills, and you can sell these skills on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms and earn good amount of money. So in today's video I will teach you how to design Twitter cover, and Twitter is now X. Then how to design Twitter cover and sell this skill on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms. So I write here Fiverr because I want to know that if there is a demand of this skill on Fiverr or not. So I write here Twitter cover. So as you can see, 474 results, which means very low competition and people are getting orders. So let's open this gig. $25 in basic. In standard he charged $40 and 2 banners, and in premium he charged $50 and provide 3 banners. So there is a demand of this skill. We check this, and now let's create it. I am using Canva to create this because Canva takes less time. It provides us templates, so our work is very easy and we save a lot of time. But if we choose Photoshop or Illustrator, then it will take a lot of time. And so I want to create a Twitter head for like marketing agency, digital marketing. So there are a lot of covers available. Let's check out. I think this one is good. Yeah, all things are good, but I think it's look more nice. So I want to change the image so no one can claim copyright on this. Office colleagues, like this one, and I select the filter cutout for PNG image, and I delete this one, and let's, yeah, this one is good. Yeah, it's look good and it's matched the photo. And you can so this, in this way we can so this it so in this way we can create this. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.